Earlier upon the live, they talk about this pastor lady will live about 5 blocks away from me. She have one gift, but when she much younger, like she usually run from it until her husband burn her up with acid. Your husband burn her up with acid, and me witness. She cast demon. Me witness the demon they talk out her adopted son. Talk. And she cast out the demon, and the demon turn into one snake. I will never forget that. Days me no sleep. Days.
Wow. So then she kill this snake.
Yeah. You can hear different voice they talk to it out of the boy. Because alright, you see that boy there? To me, him open up himself so the demon can take him over. Because that's the type of person he is. You hear the demon they talk to it. It was a crusade night. Yeah, it was a crusade when she cast out the demon.
Wow.
Yeah. And it demon tell me name and say now go away because the body are feel.
The demon right?
Nights me no sleep.
Wow.
While growing up, me most of the night are me say before the like 1-2 o'clock. Me will wake up to my auntie chanting like she said she run spirits and so on. And like in the spirit she will drop and cut herself and she don't feel it.
Wow.
Yeah. So me know say them something they real.
Join Jamaican True Stories Dubby Story live every Saturday night at 8 p.m.